Stop speaking English like a textbook. If you want to sound natural in real life, these 20 sentences will change the way you speak. Most learners use correct English, but it sounds too formal. Let's fix that with simple everyday sentences. Instead of I am very tired, say I'm exhausted. Instead of I do not understand, say I don't get it. Instead of wait for some time, say hang on a second. Instead of I am busy now, say I'm tied up right now. Instead of it is very easy, say it's a piece of cake. Instead of I agree with you, say exactly. Instead of let us start, say let's get started. Instead of I will call you later, say I'll hit you up later. Instead of that is not possible, say no way. Instead of I am thinking, say let me think. Instead of I am very hungry, say I'm starving. Instead of be careful, say watch out. Instead of I am joking, say I'm just kidding. Instead of calm down, say take it easy. Instead of I am interested, say I'm into it. Instead of that is amazing, say that's awesome. Instead of I'm not sure, say I'm not really sure. Instead of do you understand, say you get it? Instead of that makes me happy, say that made my day. Instead of let us leave, say let's head out. Okay, let's see some mini real-life examples.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Alex.
You free today?
Not really. I'm tied up right now.
Okay, hit me up later.
Sure. Start using at least 3 of these sentences today and you'll sound more natural instantly. See you in the next lesson.